Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this eye look, and it's very simple actually. I use the Jolly Beauty Divinity palette, and yeah, this palette is cruelty free and I believe it's vegan, and it's not that expensive. If anything, I would say it's more of a drugstore. But yeah, if you guys would like to know how I did this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I've already done my brows and I've concealed and powdered my eyes so I have some sort of base. So I'm going to go in with this palette, obviously, because I've just mentioned it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with these matte shades and put them in my crease. I think I'm going to be using all of them except this brown. I mean, I might incorporate the brown. But yeah, so today we're going for a Christmassy red glitter look. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is going to go in with this pinky shade. Okay, so that's the transition colour done. So next I'm going to go in with this colour and do the same thing. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this orangey colour here and do the same thing. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this darker colour here and put it on my outer corner. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm going to take the red glitter and then put that all over my lid. And if you wonder what brushes I've been using, I was using the Studio blending brush from Superdrug, and the one I'm going to use to pat the glitter onto my eyes is the foiled eyeshadow brush by Makeup Geek. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to do some mascara and line my lid and put on some false lashes, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I finished the rest of my makeup, and yeah, so if you guys are wanting to try this palette out for yourself or to have a look at what else they have on offer, they've recently released a liquid highlight, and they've got some lipsticks over there too. I think they've got some other products out, but I'm not too sure because they've released some new products. But if you guys are wanting to check out the product, I will link it down below. And if you want to purchase anything, then do use the code Sophie10 because you will get 10% off all over the website, even on sale items. So yeah, so I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. It really helped me out. And if you aren't already, like to be, hit that bell button below, subscribe, become a thorny member of our family. If you'd like to follow my social media, as always, links down below. Have a great day. Bye guys.